Jai Siaram. How to start practice? How to learn English? What is the a basic formula for learning any language? Generally, what happened with us that how did we learn Gujarati? So we all know that first of all we listen, right? Then after we spoke. Means whenever a child takes birth, he starts listening first. Then after he learns to speak. Then after he learns to read, and then after he learns to write. So the language learning, okay, is based on listening. And that's why I make you listen too much. Listen more. If you listen any language more and more, you automatically understand some. Then after you should also try to speak as much you can. The things only that you can speak, you should speak. The things that you cannot speak, avoid it, no matters. Then after read as much as you can. So when you read, you understand the pronouns, you understand the meaning. Suppose I spoke, if you work hard, so what is if? So when you understand if, when you are reading, when you will learn some grammar points, that's why at the beginning some grammar points are necessary to learn. So with the help of those grammar points, when you listen, you understand that listening, that what the person is speaking. Then after, with that grammar points, a basic grammar points, you start speaking. With the help of those basic grammar points, you start reading and you understand. And then you start writing. So understanding of any language is based on listening, speaking, reading and writing. But this all four are somewhat based on some grammar points. Now you will ask me one question that we start speaking Gujarati first. Okay, we start listening Gujarati first. At that time we did not know about any grammar points. Exactly right. I do agree with that. But see, there is a difference. One is a mother tongue. In mother tongue, you do not require to understand any grammar points because it goes on, because it is in your blood. But when a foreign language is there, suppose you are listening Punjabi, or you are listening Bengali, you are listening Tamil, you are listening Malayalam. So when you listen Malayalam, what will you understand? When you listen Tamil, what will you understand? So in the beginning, when you listen English, you will not understand anything. But if you know some words of Tamil or Malayalam or Telugu or Bengali or Punjabi or any other language apart from your mother tongue, whether it is English or French or Japanese or Russian or anyone, so you start understanding any sentence or any word. So two ways are there. The one, you understand the word, some words, and you understand some basic grammar points. And with the help of some basic words and with the help of some basic grammar points, you can start listening with understanding. You can start speaking with understanding. You can start reading with understanding. And you start writing with understanding. And when there is understanding of any language, you get confidence. With that understanding, you listen more and more, and your self-confidence grows up. With the same kind of that understanding, you start listening, you start speaking, and it works. So I would like to request, if it goes in your mind, if you agree, not compulsory. So I do feel so many people in the world who are teaching English, they also appeal that basic grammar points is necessary to learn to listening, reading, writing and speaking. Think about it. Jai Siaram.